Okay, P Street Garage here. I'm out of my 2008 Honda Civic and having a little bit of an issue with my blower motor. And the blower motor lives under here. And sometimes it runs, sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes you got to give it a kick to get it to start. So I went out and I bought a new blower motor, and here it is right here. This is my new blower motor. It's for the Civic. This was $80 at my local parts store. Now, I tried to order this from Rock Auto. In fact, I had it ordered, and I had to cancel it because at Rock Auto, this blower was $31, which I thought, well, that's absolutely amazing. But they wanted $80 for shipping, so that was a no-go. So I ended up buying it at my local parts store for $80 Canadian. So I'm going to try to put this in. Like, my old blower works when it wants to. Sometimes you got to kick it. Sometimes it sounds like it's struggling. The blower lives right under here. So I've just pulled down this little access panel. And I'm going to jump to the other side. And there's 3 screws that hold this blower up. And then there's one electrical connection right here. So I'm going to see if I can take this down and throw this back in place. This is either going to take 5 minutes or I'm going to struggle forever. So let's see how this goes. Hey, well, it is a 5-minute job. Here's the old blower. It looks okay, but it sounded like absolute crap. And there are 3 screws to remove it, like I mentioned. And here they are. It's kind of a Torx head. A flat tip screwdriver will also work. And it's kind of it's set up also like a bolt. So I used a little 8mm. That was the easiest thing. You just load this in and drive it up there. So I'm going to drive in my last screw. I'm going to hook up my wire and see what she sounds like. Okay, so I got the blower motor in. Let's see what she sounds like. Oh yeah. Yeah, before it sounded like, and sometimes it would stop and you'd have to give it a kick. Anyway, this sounds fantastic. So, blower motor, Honda Civic, 3 screws, 5 minutes. I hope this can help someone. Here's the part number. And again, I got this at my local parts store. I'm in Canada. This was $80. Rock Auto, $31. But, of course, to ship to Canada would have been $80. So it wouldn't have worked in this case. But P Street Garage, quick little repair here this morning on my turd Civic. And I'm going to pop this little cover back on. I'm going to call this one done. I hope this could help someone. Okay.